Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm your channel Travel Lexmark. This is for Syria. This is for your type your try to look. Please write and the official website for you and like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for the official website. You click here. Please write website loading. This here for the printer. You scroll down looking for the title driver and support. Click here for the title and click here for the title driver and download. This here for search email the print and this is for the type your operating system automatic and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change the operating for Windows 10, if you need Windows 10, if you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Linux, Mac for Windows, and show for the Linux, and this here for Linux version, you click here. This here for another update for the Linux version, and now Fedora the version uh, Fedora 2028-29. This year for not support your Fedora 28-29. Maybe this Fedora 28-29 support automatic your operating system. I'm sure for the Mac in this here for Mac version, you click here. This here for not support your new version for Mac and new version for Mac 12 and Mac 11. This here for not support your Mac 12 and Mac 11. Maybe this Mac 12 and Mac 11 support automatic your operating system and your operating system and the printer driver. And this video I'm the download driver for Windows. I'm sure for the Windows and this here for Windows version. You click here. This here for a new Windows version. This here for Windows 11. For Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows server driver. And this video I'm need to download driver for Windows 11. Like here for Windows 11 and looking here this year for that release a new that release support your Windows 11 this year for the language English support and I have recommendation for you. You download for the package and this year for universal print driver installation package. You download the driver and you click here for the title and you click here for you click here button start download in this here for you. Download this here for your driver and download if you need install driver for the printer. You turn on the printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and press what finish there for the load. If you finish there for the load, you double click here or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your USB cable printer and if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time in the video.